In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sing harmony with awesome, amazing warm-up drills. So, let's sing something. La la la! I think we all love singing harmony. It's just amazing. It feels good, especially if someone is there like with a guitar jamming and you're singing right with them. Like, I don't know. I really like it. So these are the warm-ups that I give to my students to help train their ear and challenge them a little bit in the beginning to learn how to sing harmony. So that way the next time that someone is jamming, they can jump in and be like, I can sing too. What's up? Now the cool thing with this video is that down below there are timestamps. So once you've gone through the entire video and you want to come back to practice, you don't have to hear me yabbing away. You can click on the timestamps and that will take you directly to when that drill starts. Drill number 1. 5-tone scale. This one is my go-to. I teach it to everyone and I actually practice it every single day. So we're going to start off by saying the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And think of the numbers heading up a scale all the way up and all the way back down. You want to envision where your note is sitting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, we're going to add it to a scale and do our first drill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Envisioning the movement of the notes. Intervals. This is where we start getting into some fun and we start to mess with these numbers and where they're placed. So instead of doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to do now a 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. The cool part of this is that when you're singing harmony, the most common harmony that you're going to hear is a third above, which is a 3, or a fifth above, which is a 5. So we're practicing being able to jump to where the harmony would be from the very starting note. So for example, we're going to do 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. But this time we're going to add in an extra layer and we're going to do a 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 5, 1. I know, you're like, what? 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 5, 1. Really training in those numbers. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 5, 1. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 5, 1. intervals. So we already did the standard intervals that we were going to do with the 1-3-5 and the 1-5. Now we're going to start messing with your ear. So this can be a little bit difficult as you first start off doing this, but know that it will get better. I highly suggest also checking out some of my other ear training videos that I've done. So not just harmony, but ear training and harmony tend to go hand in hand. And there's a link down in the description for that video as well to keep continuing drilling. But let's just give it a shot. So what we're going to do is I'm going to play 1 and then you're going to sing 3 at the same time. So it will sound like this. 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 1. So I'm going to keep playing 1 and you're going to mess with 3. Then you're going to mess with 5. Let's do another one. 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 3, 3, 1, 1. I'll sing the next one with you. 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 3, 3, 1, 1, down. 1, 1, 1, 1. I'll do the next one with you quietly. 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 3, 3, 1, 1. Two more. 1, 1. I'll do the last one with you. 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 3, 3, 1. Go ahead and click here for my free downloadable cheat sheets, tips, tricks, vocal hacks. If you're new to singing and you want to improve your voice fast, so you're going to click on this playlist here because I made it just for you. And come hang out with me and fellow singers in my Facebook group. The link is down below, and I will see you in the next song. La la la!